Good morning, everyone. Wake up. It is a beautiful and sunny Saturday morning. The car is ready.
I am busy, Dad. I am on level 10. I do not want to go to a farm. Farms are boring. Farms are for old people.
No time for video games today, Leo. Today is a very special day. We are going to the countryside.
Yay! I am ready.
Mia, there are no supermarkets there. But there is something better. Farmer Arthur told me a secret this morning on the phone.
A secret? What secret?
He said there is a golden treasure hidden at Green Valley Farm. Only children who work hard can find it.
I'll work hard, Dad. A treasure? Like gold coins?
Maybe, but you cannot find it if you are wearing pajamas. And you cannot find it if you are lazy.
Okay, I want to find the treasure. But I still hate mud. Mud is dirty.
Then we must get ready. We cannot wear nice school clothes or party dresses. Mia, what should we wear? I know. We need comfortable clothes.
I will wear my old blue jeans and my red t-shirt.
Good idea, Mia. Leo, put away your game.
You need strong boots. Fine. I will wear my yellow rain boots. Ooh! But if a cow touches me, I am going home.
Deal. Grab your water bottles and hats. We have a mystery to solve.
Fasten your seatbelts. Next stop, Green Valley Farm.
Look, Leo. Everything is so green. It is like a different world.
It is too quiet. I miss the sound of the buses.
Let's play a game. I spy something big, green, and it has brown branches.
Is it a green monster? No, Leo. It is a tree.
I spy something strange. It is standing in the field and not moving.
Is it a ghost?
That is a scarecrow. It scares birds away.
Look! We are here. But the gate is closed.
It says we must find the key under the stone. A quest. I will find it. I found it. We are farm explorers now.
Welcome! Are you ready to work?
We are ready. This is Mia and Leo.
Rule 1. Stay together. Rule 2. Be quiet.
Yes, sir.
Let's go into the barn.
Whoa! They are huge. They are beautiful.
This is Bessie. She is chewing her cud.
Why is she always chewing?
Cows chew their food twice to get energy.
Can I touch her?
Only if you are very still.
AHH. It attacked me.
She is just saying hello.
She smells bad.
Without cows, we have no milk or cheese. No cheese? Okay.
The cows are fine. Ew! The pigs are so dirty. They look happy.
The mud keeps them cool.
Hey, little pig. Hey! My hat. The pig likes your hat. I want my hat back.
You must get it yourself.
This is impossible.
If you give up, you will never find the treasure.
Okay. Nice pig. Please give me my hat. I got it back.
Collect 12 eggs, but be careful.
Why?
Eggs are fragile.
I can do this. She looks angry.
Move slowly.
Hello, chicken. Please don't peck me. I got it. Why is the egg brown?
Different hens lay different eggs.
I have 6 eggs.
Whoa!
That was close.
Now we harvest potatoes.
I don't see anything.
They grow underground.
This carrot is stuck.
Let's work together.
I caught the giant potato. You look like a potato. This is fun.
Now, are you ready for the secret? Open the box.
It's just food?
Taste it.
Wow! It is amazing.
Do you know why? Because I am hungry?
Because you worked for it.
The treasure is gratitude.
I understand now.
Thank you, Farmer Arthur.
You are a good worker. What an adventure.
Let's review words.
Scarecrow.
Chewing the cud. Uh-huh.
Fragile. Fragile.
Harvest.
Gratitude. Tell us your answer in the comments.
See you next time.
I want to see the big supermarkets in the countryside.
Aw, Dad, do I have to?
Yes, you do. It's important.
Fine, I'll go get them.
Okay, Mom. The tree? I found it! Look what I found! It's a treasure! It's a real treasure! Cover! Ow! Okay, I get it. Let's go.
No cheese?
Don't worry, they seem happy. Yeah, I agree. I back. Don't touch the seeds.
Don't touch the seeds.
Nigus bra.
Why does she have to be so protective?
Oh, she's not so bad. Hi there, little one.
Because some chickens lay brown eggs. It's perfectly normal.
See how varied they are?
Oh.
Dat is hersenreining.
It's grow, right?
Huh?
Oh, I understand now. Thanks, Dad.
You're very welcome, Leo.
Lunchtime.
Scarecrow.
That reminds me. My your time.